Righty. Welcome in my first build guide, if you can call it like that. I'm calling this build Viltrumite Martial Arist, and I'm gonna show you why. Well, first of all, because my name is Viltrumite Netero. Because yeah, this skill is basically Netero from Hunter x Hunter. And second thing, we are popping blood everywhere in this build, thanks to Bleed and Herald of Blood, and thanks to this glows, which give us this crazy shockwave, because, you know, Viltrumite, they don't need any weapons, we don't need any quarter stuff, we just need our bare hands to pop blood and aftershocks, and that's basically the power fantasy of this build. And yeah, as you can see, the clear is pretty good, and the bossing is also not bad, especially if we are able to parry them, which by the way, parry is just broken. I'm just standing like that. They can't really do much to me when I'm parrying, unless it's like a big ass slam. You know, you have to learn what you can parry or not. You can have a separate weapon set for this, just for parry, and it feels like, you know, Mike Tyson. You just parry, and then you just counter attack, like boom, and they dead. Also, when you parry like regular monsters, even magic monsters, like you can just one-shot them with a lot of your basic attacks, which is actually pretty funny. But yeah, I guess that map is done. We can just go back to town and see what's going on. So first thing first, we have Horror's Flight. They give us this skill that pops enemies on cool. They give us extra chance to fire, you know, projectile, which is nice for the staggering palm. And yeah, I think it's really straightforward. It just gives us more damage, onslaught, more evasion, and energy shield, and the skill, which is nuts, because even though I don't have much plus melee skills on my character, it still deals like 1600 attack damage. So I recommend those for clear. Of course, some triple damage rare gloves would be better for hollow form purposes, but to be honest, it's good enough. I think we're not losing that much of the damage here, especially that we are gaining a lot of area effect thanks to the buff it gives. That's pure overwhelming, because, you know, people have to feel fear when they see a Viltrumite. And this gives us a lot. It almost compensate for the lack of quarter stuff when it comes to area of effect. And it helps us kind of hit the boss more often with the hollow farm, because sometimes in the hollow farm, just our boys, they just start far behind and they don't align. I don't know. A little bit more of our area of effect won't kill anybody unless you know, they're your enemies. Then we have just this normal luring assault for sometimes for clear, sometimes we just, you know, we need the combo for the bells or for the charges, because we're also using the A-leaf chimes tech to generate more power charges and other charges. Then we have staggering palm. This also gives us endurance charges to, you know, use it for charge regulation with everyone using. Then you have Herald of Blood, Ghost Dance, Herald of Blood, and we bleed with Hollow Resonance. That's actually enough. You don't need more bleed in this build. It's enough to pop Herald of Blood chains. And yeah, it's also good to use the Mantra of Destruction with the bell, because every time you resonate, you're gonna, you know, kill stuff. It will cap out your Chioa flames quite easily. And yeah, also these buffs when cooling and critically striking basically I have them all the time up, so it's pretty nice. And parry, we have a separate weapon set for those. As you can see, it feels really nice. Sometimes you can just panic parry and you know, to when you feel cornered and you don't know what to do. When you parry, a lot of your attacks will kill the enemies, which will leech some life, and then you know you'll survive. We have capped deflection, so it's also really nice. But other than that, tree is, you know, just damage, just deflection, evasion rating, ES, crit, damage. Just one note for power charges, and that's it. Nothing crazy. Maybe uh, the parry might be shocking for some people, but that's about it. I really like that you can get a lot of evasion and deflection stuff on the side of the tree. It feels really nice to build around it. In my gear, you know, nothing crazy. I spent like 20 to 30 divines for this build, mostly on the chest. It's like half of the build budget. And I didn't think that's a lot, because you know this league is just divines, they're just dropping like candies from the sky. So yeah, I think that's it about the build. You know, just get some life, get some mana leech, get some life leech, cap your resistances, get some spirit, because you need spirit for the 4 auras we're using, and yeah, that's it. I think that's it. And prioritize energy shield over life, because the increases will give you so much more life pool. And this one is nice because when you're slowed, it's always shit. So yeah, I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna link the pub in the description. See you around.